Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? Can't see. Oh, shoot. Cats from the beginning. Back cats from the beginning. Usually I fish the other side, but they're doing something over there today, so that works. So I came over here and fish this side of the pond. Back. Anyway, hopefully everyone's had a good Wednesday. I'm gonna fish this side of the pond today, uh, since I have no clue what they're doing over there. I really did not want to get involved in that mess, whatever they're doing. You know. So we're just gonna fish this weed line, then we're gonna move around, hopefully, to the other side. Lion bait. Lion bait's at me this afternoon. A little bit. Grass is not as high. So fall off from this morning, and I forgot to. Normally, do not fish this side. As you can tell, ED normally don't fish this side, but I said, why not? Tried it at least once. Fished it yesterday. The wind's blowing in my direction and all that good stuff. What's the tattoo on my arm? I have the I have a tribal tattoo on my arm. My tattoo is sorry, this one right here. That's a tribal tattoo. That one right there is for my mom and dad. So this one on my forearm, mom and dad, and that's my well shit. Tribal tattoo goes with it. Tribal tattoo. Every year that my wife and I are married for a year longer, I have a piece added to it. So this year I'll have another piece added to it, which will make the sleeve further. I may be wanting to fish a freaking worm on this side. Yes, appreciate the comments. Hope I didn't get anything that big this morning. I got a few that were over a pound, but not much. And everything else was under. But the difference between this pond or this side of the pond and the other side is this pond does not have that much of a grass line on it. It has some of a grass line, not much. But yeah, there is what I'm using. Where we at? There we go. Just swimming a chatterbait through there this afternoon. I've got a worm too, but I don't think I'm gonna have to throw it. Then my tribal tattoo looks like yours. And I, I believe it. So if I see you down there, yours looks like there's a fish. Where's it at? I can't see it. There it is. First one for this afternoon. Did we just do what I think? Okay, there we go. He's a baby. He's a baby. But it's a fish. First one for this afternoon. Yeah, mine too. He's a baby. I don't know if I brought my scale or not. Yeah, I did. Even though it's a small one, I like to weigh all my fish just to see how big they are. I caught 5 this morning. Um, they were okay. But the bass just finished spawning here, and I didn't realize that until this morning. It just dawned on me that these bass just stopped spawning. 50.5. Almost said 59.5, not even a pound. He'll go back, hopefully. There he goes. Or she. Good, that's good. I'm glad you're having a good day. It's somewhere. Yeah, usually I'm throwing a worm, but the water's cooled off a little bit, and the fish have kind of moved up off of the bottom just a little bit. So I figured I'd throw this. Yeah, I haven't used a whole lot of chatterbaits or anything yet this year. Been too hot. But now that it's starting to cool off, we get to start throwing. That other side over there is where I've been catching all of my fish at. So everything I'm doing here today is just strictly exploring this side, really. Because it's so weedy, I don't come over here in the summer. I'm not trying to get ate by no snake or bit by a snake, I should say. Guess they're getting ready to do a movie night over at the house that I work at or something. I don't know. So I went to park over there. I would have fished the other side, but I moved. Oh, got issues here. That's some issues. That's mine too, I guess. Now we'll fish this side and back down. So it gets dark early now. It gets dark at like 4:50 where I'm at. I went home, done some editing, put all the videos off that I wanted off the live from this morning, and turned around and said, yeah, might as well go do it again. Here we are. Man, that water is clear. And you can really see these white baits swimming in that water too on those videos. Yeah, you just slow it down a little bit. I don't know. Let's say there's another one, but I'm hitting the grass line. I think I believe something is pulling back. Yeah, it's a small weed line. It's a grass line. So how's everybody's day been? Hopefully good. But yeah, I done some editing, pulled some videos off from the live this morning. Took a nap. That dishes. My wife wanted me to move the bedroom around, so I had to move furniture around in the bedroom. And once I'd done that, it was go time for me again. Because I go back to work tomorrow. Work. Oh, fish. Not like I thought it was. It's that stupid weed line. That's what it is. It'd be good if I was fishing a worm on along a weed line. That's fine to be bumping like that. But I didn't really want to do it this afternoon that much. On that deep water a little bit. If I get hung up, then we'll have to go with worm. I don't think we will, but just in case. You never know. There's another fish. That one feels a little bit heavier. Oh, we got off. Hopefully, I got that on video. I don't think I did, but it got off. He jumped and shook it. She can actually probably get down here a little bit further. I ain't trying to get too far into this tall grass with tennis shoes on. But that would have been fish number 2 for this afternoon. Jumped and shook it off. I don't know if y'all did y'all see that fish jump and shake that worm off or worm. So used to using the worm. Shake that chatterbait. It's pretty cool actually. If you didn't, you missed it. I'll have to look.